What's up, guys? Out here at one of my maintenance clients that we take care of their gardens weekly, and just wanted to kind of go over what a day in the life of Tony Grows Food looks like. Basically, the first thing I do when I get here, well, we got to make sure the gate's closed so she doesn't go crazy and get out. And we're really fortunate to be able to bring her with. The clients are really cool. But first thing I do is observe. So I kind of just do a little walkthrough, see what's changed in the last week, what we might need to trim, what we might need to pull out, what might need a little bit more attention. Today, fortunately, today's going to be 108 degrees, but we are going to be on the downtrend in temperatures, so we are going to be planting a little bit today. This particular garden, they're really focused on the aesthetic quite a bit, and so we're going to be doing quite a few flowers, which will also bring in birds, bees, butterflies, all the pollinators, and really just set this space and make it pop. So hang out and we'll show you what we're doing. All right, guys, so we've been here for about 2 hours, and again, this property, we really want to keep it looking nice. It's a beautiful home. The garden, the soil is so good that it just tends to kind of become a jungle. And while I may think that's awesome, it's a little much for the clients. So we really try to keep everything natural and not like squared off, but still creating some lines here. And one of them here that is really important is this walkway. And so like this pomegranate, we trim, and you've almost got like a little, you're like walking under a bridge, you know, you've really got this defined pathway through these trees, which are maturing really nicely and really fitting the space. Another thing we did here was just plant flowers. We've got some calendula here, also a little bit of rainbow chard, which is another really good looking one. You can kind of see we've still got some watermelon kicking over there really well, some eggplant, sweet potatoes. The whole property is kind of constantly changing, and so every month of the year, you know, we're coming out of our hottest time, but we're still able to harvest and plant, and there's still something going on always, even though if I don't want to be here in August. So hope you guys enjoy this. If you have any specific questions, let us know, and I'll talk to you soon.